Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline. Another 2022 Model 3 has just been customized at our shop over here in Los Angeles, California. With so many one-of-a-kind treatments, I'm beyond excited to share them with you. Let's start off with the exterior. The front and rear Tesla T emblems, which are normally chrome, have been painted this beautiful metallic purple. And this is actually going to be the beginning of the theme of what's going on with this car. But before we go to the inside, let's also take a look at the upgraded 19-inch wheels. These are our TS5 wheels finished in cyber silver. This is a really special silver treatment. It's not silver paint. It's not like what you would normally see on a car that has silver wheels. It's almost like a satin silver. Super cool. And this TS5 wheel is very sporty, looks great on the Model 3. Now, let's go inside and I'll show you everything else that we did, starting off with the inspiration of those purple tees. So this Tesla Model 3 originally had a white interior from Tesla, and that is a great look, probably the most popular amongst Tesla owners. But this particular owner had a completely different vision. She wanted purple, black and purple, and this is the first time we've ever done it. I'm really excited to go ahead and share this with you. Take a look at the workmanship. Purple leather on the 4 door panel inserts. The seats have been completely reupholstered using black leather with purple inserts, and this is our insignia interior. Insignia representing the 3 lines on the insert of the back area on the seats, and those areas have been finished in black. So this is a really cool two-tone black and purple interior now, and even take a look at the detail of the stitching. It's actually now purple. I absolutely love it. This is a first for us, and I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think? Is this super cool? Is this just way too outlandish? I think it's really special, so I'd love to hear your comments on that. Now, because this car was originally white on the interior, as you all know, the dash decor and now the door extension decor is actually white as well. That would not look very good on a midnight silver metallic exterior and a beautiful new bespoke black and purple interior. So the customer chose our matte carbon fiber dash overlay and door panel trim inserts. So we've got this really sporty matte carbon and a beautiful purple and black interior. That's all I got for you today, Tesla fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.